I am glad to know that Faculty of Law, Jainan Vyas University, Jodhpur is organizing a lecture on human rights during COVID crisis, issues and challenges for India on the occasion of Human Rights Day today. On behalf of the Jainan Vyas University and my own, I welcome the distinguished speaker of this lecture, Professor M.K. Bhandari, former Dean, Faculty of Law, Jainan Vyas University, Jodhpur. My best wishes to Professor Chandan Bala, Dean, Faculty of Law, and Professor Sunil Asopa, and members of seminar committee and all other related technical persons for organizing this event on Human Rights Day. I am sure that the lecture given by Professor Bhandari will enrich our faculty and participants. Friends, World Health Organization declared a novel coronavirus COVID-19 a subject of public health emergency of worldwide concern on 30th January 2020. After seeing the rapid growth of infection among people and deaths worldwide, governments were quick to implement a variety of measures to fight the battle with this problem on an attacking scale. COVID 19 is a test of societies, of governments, of communities, and of individuals. Now is the time for solidarity and cooperation to tackle the virus and to mitigate the effects, often unintended, of measures designed to halt the spread of the virus. With COVID 19, a fast moving and global health crisis has collided with many slower and more entrenched political, social, and economic crises around the world. Those multiple underlying fractures which have made us more vulnerable to this virus and create entry point for its harms results from gaps in human rights protection. In order to navigate this pandemic in security, we need more empowerment and more participation by civil society. We need to build up human right based systems to protect and cherish the people who are the greatest resource of any country and the only bottom line that really counts. We need to devise policies that are grounded in right, democracy, and rule of law so that we can minimize the devastating social, economic, and humanitarian consequences of COVID 19 and build back societies that are resilient and fair. Better health is a necessity for a better life and key to happiness and well being. India is a member of the International Covenant of Economic, Social, and Human Rights. It specifically deals with a person's right to enjoy the highest achievable mental and physical health. Hence, the government should take a proper initiative for providing adequate health services of superior quality, and satisfactory medical care should be given to people to prevent threats to public health. However, lot of work is still required to be done. According to India's largest national survey of June 2018, only about 10% of the poorest one-fifth of Indian in rural and 9.8 urban Indians had any form of health insurance, which concludes how lack of money impact health. This type of discrimination should be stopped and all people should be treated equally. Right to health is a fundamental right. I am happy that Professor M.K. Bhandari will deliver his speech on this important theme. Certainly, the students and the teaching fraternity and other interested persons will be benefited by it. I congratulate the Faculty of Law for organizing such a discourse. My best wishes to organizers. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you all.